Hey guys, it's Nira from UK Mobile Review. We're here bringing you a look at the user interface on the Sony Xperia Z. As we covered in yesterday's part of this 1080p battle, Sony have redesigned the lock screen, so it's very simple. A swipe from there reveals a music player, and a swipe from there opens up the camera. To open the phone, you just swipe up or down. Let's look at what else they've added to the phone. You can see that some of the icons have changed. They've been very much customized in Sony's own style. The notification bar has just those 5 icons. And one of their biggest changes is in the menu. So you've got the options to put it in your own order, in alphabetical, to sort it according to your most used apps, and assort it according to apps you've recently installed. This, when you choose the recently installed method, it also includes apps you've just updated. Now to the task launcher. As you can see here, you've got your running applications, and here you can add little floating widgets above the user interface, such as the calculator, a timer, notes, and the voice recording option. And you also have the option to add new small apps, is what they call them. If we go back here, you can see that the calculator floats above anything that's running, including if we open the Play Store, it floats above that as well. Some of the other changes include Xperia, the Xperia menu. If we go to So as you can see at the bottom, we've got Xperia with Facebook. Now this is really handy because it integrates Facebook within the handset as well as Twitter. This inputs your Facebook and your Twitter contacts into the phonebook application. And it also allows you to look at them from within the gallery as well, which Sony have called Album. Sony's other changes include, as we said, the album replaces the gallery, movies, which integrates all the movies on your device, and Walkman, which is their music player. Smart Connect. Now, Smart Connect is really handy because it allows you to set up certain actions for when you perform certain tasks. For example, plugging in your phone at night, so when it's plugged into the charger, and at a certain time, you can start the alarm and clock, you can change it to silent mode. At the end, it switches over to the normal mode. This means that when it is plugged in after 10 o'clock, between 10 PM and 7 AM, the handset will turn into a bedside clock, and after 7 AM it will go to normal but while still playing the clock. So at the end you can also set it to either open a Facebook, make a phone call, send a text message, start an application, start Wi-Fi. So here's another couple of options. Music on the go, which is your headset, and music at home, which is the headphones. You've got these 3 devices enabled by default, and you can also add devices, whether it's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or even screen mirroring. Sony's Video Unlimited service allows you to watch the latest films and TV programs as you want them. Xperia Link lets you connect to the internet from your phone and tablet using this handset. So Xperia Link is essentially tethering. Sony include the TripAdvisor application by default. They have a car mode for when you're driving, giving you shortcuts to location, media, phone settings, and you can customize other applications as well. There's a fair few, as you can see. Now let's go to the home screen and look at how they've implemented widgets. Sony allow you to add there's 5 home screens by default. Sony allow you to add up to 7 in total. If we go there, you'll see. Any of these home screens can be selected as the actual home screen that you go to when you press the home button, just by tapping in the top left corner. And to delete a home screen, you just tap on the little X. And it's that simple. Sony's implementation of widgets, as you can see there's a fair few, including ones for their applications, such as Music Unlimited, Screen Mirroring, Sony Select. You can set up the apps, just drag and drop apps onto there. Change the wallpaper. And choose a custom theme. There's a few themes there, ranging from Silk, Xperia, Sapphire, Emerald, Amber, Ruby, Amethyst and Quartz. The Amethyst theme is quite nice, as is the Amber. When you select a theme, it also changes the lock screen. Now, one thing you'll have noticed, which we really like, is that you can change your home screen as you like. So I can add the calculator, switch it along, calendar. It doesn't come out of this view until you press the back or the home key. And the good thing about this is that on some other Android devices, you have to drag an app in, then repeat the process, then repeat the process. Sony have made it very easy to add stuff to your home screen quickly and easily. Sony's changes also include the keyboard. As you can see, it's nice big buttons, shortcuts to symbols above, making it nice and simple, and really easy to use. You can even set up and personalize your keyboard, whether it's the layout. Some people want the symbol keys on the letters. You can set up whether it auto corrects. Add the Google Voice key if you want to. Full stop comma key, smiley key. Choose whether it vibrates or presses a sound. And as you can see, all those changes have now changed the way the keyboard looks completely. Sony have made it very easy to customize the handset as you like. One handy feature that a lot of people will like is inside the Xperia menu, Internet Settings. Now it says the device will connect to the internet to download internet settings. However, we've often found that somehow, even without an internet connection, it still manages to find them. This is a really good handy feature because Android by default, especially if using an unlocked phone, doesn't come with the access point names installed. So this makes it really simple for users to get online. And that's a quick look at the user interface on the Sony Xperia Z. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe. Check out the full comparison in the link in the description below.